This is gross looking, I know. And I'm sorry in advance to the internet. I still have straws.
This symbol is public domain. You could put that symbol on anything you wanted to.
Hey guys, I'm Christine from Tastemade, and today I'm getting a zero waste home makeover. Let's see how it goes. We are bringing a sustainability expert into my space, and I'm curious to know if there's a balance between keeping the products that I love and being more environmentally friendly.
I think the first myth that comes to mind is that zero waste means all your trash has to fit in a mason jar. Zero waste is multifaceted, and it's a goal. It's the desire to live without waste, but also consider resources that are being used to make things, what the end of life of something is, and all the steps in between. A first point of entry for zero waste would be a self-evaluation to see what items you have a lot of that are directly going into the trash after a short amount of time.
This is mortifying. I live alone, so I don't do a ton of cooking. That comes with a lot of plastic packaging, a lot of to-go meals. It looks like a plastic wasteland in there.
To start with, I think it's great that the coffee cup is in the landfill bin. I think a lot of times people think coffee cups are recyclable and they're not.
I don't really know how to store my food. I feel like maybe aluminum foil is maybe better than plastic. When I go grocery shopping, I usually put things in the plastic baggies that they give you at the supermarket. What does she do?
Plastic has a purpose, but it does last essentially forever. So if we are using plastic in applications where you use it for mere seconds or minutes and dispose of it, that's not sustainable.
I'm excited and nervous to show you my fridge.
It'll be okay.
Here it is.
Okay.
Dramatic unveiling.
Ta-da! Okay, let's start with some thumbs up.
Okay.
I see a reusable water bottle, wine bottles, tasty and recyclable. I see some condiments in glass, that's awesome. Aluminum, great, infinitely recyclable. This would be an opportunity for food storage we can talk about, and also maybe taking a cloth bag with you to the grocery store.
In a lot of homes you find single-use items, and that usually means a lot of plastic packaging, again, that lasts for mere seconds.
This looks like an opportunity to start saving you money. I would recommend storing this in glass, and in small containers that you can freeze. It's very resource intensive to make aluminum foil, and you're still essentially using this one time and throwing it away. So this would be another contender for glass storage.
So glass is like the king.
Glass and metal.
Metal.
Yeah. So this was some of that aseptic packaging that I was talking about. So this has metal, paper, and plastic all fused together.
But then it also says please recycle.
Yeah. And I should say, these chasing arrows symbols, this symbol is public domain. You could put that symbol on anything you wanted to.
When we purchase things, let's look for things that are durable, long-lasting. Perhaps after being one use, it can be repurposed and remade into something else.
I'm so excited to go to your shop, Sustain LA, to see how I can take these practices and put them into my everyday life.
Sustain LA is a place to help further the zero waste philosophy in living. We offer a space where you can come, refill household cleaners, body care products, and find plastic-free alternatives to things you use every day. I think stages of zero waste are possible for everyone. It is a lifestyle. And part of having success on your zero waste journey is changing the habits that we've found ourselves in, that we've been told that we need to do for convenience.